First up, we have Re3D. Your 1 minute is going to start right now.
Good evening, I'm Samantha. We created the world's largest affordable industrial 3D printer. But we're not stopping there. My team and I, we quit our jobs at NASA because we consider ourselves explorers at heart. Here is a 3D printed piece of furniture made out of a biodegradable material. We've been trying for 4 years now to find non-dilutive resources to enable prototyping to 3D print from trash. We really believe that 3D printing can help transform communities and create a circular economy. People could not only have access to their own personal factory, but control their supply chain.
The first scale winner of $180,000 is Re3D.
Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Mission accomplished.